look, 2 plus 2 in the shed again to finish off all the jobs, do all the things I didn't do, sort all the bits I never did. So I'm gonna get the gear lever sorted out. I ripped the exhaust pipe off driving in, unfortunately. Absolutely nailed the exhaust pipe. Broke it straight off the bloody downpipe. So I've got to sort that. Raise the torsion bars up because the bloody thing's sagging like a bloody, well, it's sagging worse than, what was it, Noelia Solali, whatever her name is. But yeah, so I'm going to sort out the dash top, sort the gear lever, sort the center console, maybe sort the carpets, maybe get a bit more done. Something or other. So this car came, last time it was driven was in June last year. Now, it started, it was a bit of a fight, and it did start, but it did, I couldn't get the thing in reverse, and I sort of got the wrong gear, and it jumped forward and pushed the bloody wall out. Anyway, it didn't do any damage to it, thank God. It was a tyre that it pushed the bloody wall. So anyway, so I lost the back of my shed down there, so I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to go there and nail it back on, we'll see. But, yeah, as you see there, she's done, she's back again, she's in the shed. Gear lever's in the house, as you can see down there. Gear lever is ready. I've got to take all that crap out. That driver's seat is absolutely bloody awful. Dashboard, not too bad. Got to sort out the things. I found one of those chrome things. I think I threw it in here. I found a lot of stuff for this car. Ah, there it is. Yeah, look, there you go. Found one there. See? So that can go back into there. Yeah, we're going to make it look good. Heater motor we got there, so that can go back in. We're going to sort out the air scoop, which I found. I got one of those. I don't know where it is, but I've got one. I got a leak on the rad, as you can see. We're not going to mention that, so that's why. I mean, we're going to work a rad seal or something just for now. I cannot physically afford to spend any more money on these cars. I mean it. I love them, but I cannot keep spending money on them. Not for them just to sit in the shed and not go anywhere. If they go, if I can drive this, I might drive. If I can get the suspension up a bit higher and make it look a bit better, then get that door open, I'll drive it. All right, so yeah, to be continued. Talk to you soon, guys. Like and subscribe, follow us about, and remember, this hasn't come out of that shed since June last year, and she actually drove up here, and yeah, so sounded like a bloody race car there. Talk to you soon. Bye.